Hi guys, it's Rebecca here, and in this video I'm going to be going through exactly what you need to have in your lash starter kit. So let's go find out what it is. Okay, so here's all the products you're going to need in your starter kit. We're going to move on to paperwork and what else you need to do online afterwards. So first and foremost, you've got your oil-free makeup remover. So you need to make sure you've got clean lashes and clients have no traces of makeup on their lashes. And you want an oil-free remover because if your remover's got oil in it, it's going to affect how the glue works. Then you've got your protein removal wipes. This is another step in prepping the lashes. What this is going to do is remove any of the natural oils. And then you've got your disposable micro applicator brushes, and you've got your primer. Now you're only going to need your primer if your client has naturally oily lashes or oily skin. Otherwise you're going to dehydrate the lashes too much. And at the top we've got a lash cleansing brush, which is a special brush designed to clean lash extensions. Then you've got your micropore tape. Micropore is a medical tape, so it's a lot softer than something like sellotape or scotch tape. It's designed to be used on the skin. This is going to be really handy at taping down little lashes that are peeking out from the bottom layer. And then you have your under eye pads. And then you've got your tools. So you're going to need a little mascara wand to brush the lashes. I've also got a little pair of scissors, which is super helpful when you're trying to cut the micropore tape. I've then got a selection of tweezers, so it's up to you which tweezers you want to use. Every lash artist has their favourite ones. I've got some curved, some angled and some straight ones here. And also your lash mirror. This is fantastic as you can check your lash work as you go along. You've then got your actual lashes that you're going to use. If you're starting out, a mixed tray is fantastic as it's going to have all the different lengths that you need. I recommend using flat lashes as they're not going to damage your client's natural lashes, as they're not going to be too heavy. And then we've got this fantastic lash tray that I just recently bought off Amazon, and I just think it's fantastic. And it's a way that you can store and organise all of your lashes. And you can have your different lengths on there, you can have your different curls on there, and it's a really easy, accessible tray, which is great to keep the lashes clean. And then you've got your glue. For a beginner, I'd recommend a slower setting glue. This is a faster one. And then you've got your magnifying glasses. So I wear reading glasses as they do the same job as magnifying glasses, but they look a lot better and they're also super cheap. And then you've got your cream remover. That's if you need to remove any lash extensions. And you'll use this with the micro applicator brushes that we saw earlier. And then you need your mirror, which you can show your clients their beautiful lashes. Now also be sure to come and join our Facebook group. In it we have tons of support for you. We just basically want to nurture you and help you grow to become the best lash artist that you can be. And if you've really enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to this channel because we have so much more goodness for you and we don't want to miss it. Our mission is to help you build the lash business of your dreams. Alright guys, it was so great to see you again. Take care. Bye.